Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started.
Hello viewers, today I will show modeling of a propeller of a quad rotor using SolidWorks. Let us start from parts. Let us select that top plane, normal to, and top plane we want to draw one circle. Let us provide smart dimension to this one as 100 mm. Done. Green check, and let us provide depth of extrusion of 50 mm from the middle plane. Green check. Done. Next one, we'll select the front plane, and on the front plane we have to sketch one ellipse, front plane normal to, and on that front plane we want to draw one ellipse. Let us select the central point, and we can provide one ellipse with specific dimensions. Let us make a relation that this one and this one should be horizontal. And let us provide smart dimension to this one as this one should be 25 mm. And let us provide this distance as 80 mm. Green check. Exit from the sketch. Select that front plane, and with respect to front plane you have to make another plane at a distance of 500 mm away. Okay, so features, reference geometry, plane. From this plane 500 mm away we are making another plane. Green check. Plane 1 is made, which is 500 mm away from this front plane. At plane number 1 we have to draw one specific point. This is plane number 1. We can sketch one specific point on plane number 1. Let us select that point, this one. Green check. Exit from the sketch. That means we have made two different planes at 500 mm away, and on the front plane we have made one ellipse, and on plane number 1 we have made one point. Now using lofted boss base we have to combine these two different sketches to provide a specific profile. So features, lofted boss base, we have to select both the sketches at different planes. First drawing is selected. Now the second drawing selected. Next one, from this option start and constraints, we can select that normal to profile, and you can change the values from 1 to 3. Let's change the values to 3. Green check. We got a specific profile. Next to that we have to twist this profile from properties. We have to twist this profile to have the actual twisted profile of this blade. So that can be done from insert, features, and flex. From flex we have the twisting option. Let us select that surface of that blade. Now we can twist as per our requirement. We can twist that profile from any specific location. Let us drag this location towards front. We can drag it from here. We can bring this one in the front side. and from that specific location we can twist this profile. Now for twisting we can have different degrees. Let us twist this one by 70 degree. It is twisted, and we can drag this one a little bit front side also. It is twisted from here. Go and check. It is done. Now you can see it is twisted from this location. This is the profile. Okay. Let us edit this part. And this length we can reduce a little bit. 160 is okay. Go and check. Done. Next to that we have to provide one circular pattern to have this profile as a circular array. So selecting circular pattern, to select that axis or that cylindrical portion. With respect to this one we have to have a circular pattern of this profile. We want 3 numbers of profiles, and features and faces, let us select that profile to be arrayed. Green check. It is done. We got 3 different profiles. Now we can hide this plane number 1. Next to that you have to provide a dome at the top surface of this one. So from insert, features, and you can provide a dome at the top of the circular portion. Let us provide the dome radius of 40 mm. Green check. Done. So this is the propeller for the quad rotor, right? Now for better viewing, you can provide some color to this one. This is red. Next to that, provide some color to the top part, this one. Again, select. Let us provide black color at the dome location. Select that surface. Done. So this is the propeller for quad rotor. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.